Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from the second chapter of Engineering Mechanics Statics by Hibbeler, and we have these two forces of FA and FB, where the FA is 3 kilonewtons, and we also have the angle theta, which FB makes with x-axis, so we know that one's 45 degrees. We need to determine the magnitude of the resultant force of the two tugboats that we can see in the figure, and also its direction measured clockwise from positive x-axis. So basically we are looking for the magnitude of these, the resultant of these two forces, and from that we can find the magnitude. We're gonna solve this question using trigonometry, so we're going to use the parallelogram law first to find the r, and basically we're going to make that parallelogram here. So we're just gonna try to make that parallelogram, and this is going to be our FR, and also we need to figure the angle clockwise from x-axis, so we have to go in this direction, and the angle, we can call it alpha, so we're looking for that one. So we're going to use this triangle in here to find the FR and also the angle, and basically we have this parallelogram where we have one angle of the parallelogram, so we're gonna have something like this, and we have this angle of the parallelogram. We know this part is 30 degrees, and theta, which is the rest of this, is going to be 45 degrees, and basically this angle would be the sum of 30 and 45, or 75 degrees, and if that one's 75 degrees, these two angles are 180 minus 75, or 105. So this angle is also 105 degrees. All right, now that we have this, again, we are looking at this triangle here. That's the yellow triangle. So we're going to use the law of cosines, where we have FR squared is equal to FA squared, which is 2. So 2 squared plus FB is 3. So 3 squared negative 2 times 3 times 2 times the cosine of the angle between FA and FB. This is our FB. So the angle would be cosine of 105 degrees. And here we can find FR. So the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared negative 2 times 3 cosine of 105. Miss the squared here. And yeah, that's going to give us 0, 1, and the units are in kilonewtons. Do one more. So just want to report this as 3 sig figs. It's going to be 4.01. All right, so now that we have that, we are looking also for the angle alpha. So what we can do is that, so the FR that we have here, we can consider this angle, which is sine of 30 degrees plus alpha over the side that is facing that, which is this side. So it will be FB, which is 3. And this will be equal to, we can go with the sine of 105, this angle, and the side that is facing that is FR, or, and yeah, if you just cross multiply this, the angles 30 plus alpha would be sine inverse of this ratio here is 3 times sine of 105 degrees over 4.013. So let's figure that value. Sine inverse of this ratio, 3 sine of 105 over 4.013. Yeah, so this is going to be equal to 46.227. And again, what we are looking for is the angle alpha. So 30 plus alpha is equal to that. So alpha would be basically 46 minus 30. It's going to be 16.2 degrees. And that's going to be the angle clockwise from x-axis. So we're going in this direction, and this is going to be the angle that we have. And yeah, so hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.